Hi, my name's John Feigen. I'm here with Professional Equipment. We're exhibiting at a home inspection show, and we're showing a lot of the instruments here for home inspectors. And one instrument that keeps getting a lot of interest at this show is infrared thermometers. A lot of infrared thermometers on the market. Testo makes a full line of these infrared thermometers. I just want to show you some of the unique features that we have on this instrument. It's nicely packaged. You got your 9-volt battery. It's very convenient. And if you look at this instrument here, we have two buttons here. The first button actually switches from what we call the infrared measurement. If you press the down arrow key, we actually have a thermocouple connection here, and you can put any type of thermocouple, K thermocouple, into that connection. So you really have two measurements in one instrument. K thermocouple, and then certainly when you pull the trigger, you switch it over to the infrared measurement. Now what we have here, there's alarms in here, so you can set alarms if you exceed certain temperature limits, up or down. If I squeeze the trigger, you'll see that it shoots two lasers. And if you're familiar with how these work, they all have what we call spot ratio. This has a 12-to-1 ratio, which means that if I press the trigger, I'm looking. If I'm 1 foot away, I'm 1 foot away from the wall. Those two lasers are about 1 inch apart. So the spot ratio means that the first is the distance, which is 12. The second is the size of the spot, which would be 1. So 12 inches gives you a 1-inch spot, and this 830T2 is giving you the top and bottom diameter of that circle. So you're looking actually at a circle there. But if I turn this clockwise and counterclockwise, you'll see how those lasers move. It's giving the customer an indication of where he is looking at on the temperature, because we're not looking at just one laser here. As you know, you're looking at a much larger pattern with these laser guns. So as I move away, you'll see how those two lasers open up and spread apart. So you got to understand the spot ratio, the distance, and the spot itself that you're looking at when you purchase one of these. And this one here carries a 12-to-1 ratio. It's a nice clear display for you. Like I said, you're reading two temperatures. You can read two temperatures, K thermocouple and the infrared spot. Alarms, very easy to use. Just pull the trigger, nice design for it. Great tool for home inspectors.